All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now from our OTC studios in New York City is Artem Volynets. He is the CEO of ACG Metals. And Artem, it's good to see you. How are you?
Excellent. Very good day today. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah, good to have you along. It's been a little while since we've chatted and lots to talk about. But first, maybe just give everyone a quick update on the company itself.
Company is doing just fine. Last year when we spoke, our market cap was 100 million. Today it's 200 million. We hope that OTC listing in New York will move it further to catch up with peers. We are today massively undervalued, but we're generating lots of cash, which is unusual for the company of our size. We are generated last year $90 million of free cash flow. Forecast for this year, probably 75 on a conservative basis. And as we move to start producing copper from the middle of next year, we are projected to do about $100 million in a free cash flow, which is a highly cash generative company trading at 2 times free cash flow. Hopefully the listing here in New York will help to spread the world and attract more investors into the stock.
Yeah, maybe tell Artem everyone a little bit about how you earn that cash flow, about the projects themselves and the production that you're doing.
That's right. So ACG Metals today has an asset in Western Turkey, which is currently producing gold. It's good to be a producer of gold in today's gold price environment, Steve. Our all-in sustaining cost about $1,000 per ounce. So we are making a very significant margins in today's gold prices. Guidance for this year, 36 to 38,000 ounces, and that will generate about $75 million of free cash flow, as I mentioned, for the year. We are halfway through executing a brownfield project to move from the production of gold into production of copper. From roughly middle of the next year, we'll be producing about 25,000 tons of copper equivalent per year. Also in the first quartile, like in gold, in the global cost curve, and that will get us to $100 million in free cash flow. So a small company, highly cash generative, and this is the first step. We expect to see 3 to 5 times increase in our market cap just from execution on our fully funded business plan, and that is before we do our next acquisition. Our next transaction, we obviously will increase those parameters by a considerable size.
Artem, I guess it puts you in a really strong position having that much cash flow happening and gives you the opportunity to look around at other assets that you may want to look after, but also really self-funding the company and not having to rely on certain markets.
Yeah, we are fully funded. We need about $70 million to complete our brownfield expansion. We have twice as much now on our balance sheet. We have raised the full funding through issue of bonds in Oslo in the beginning of this year. Those bonds are trading at a significant premium to the issue price, around 108 now. That indicates your direction of travel and the fact that our investors on both equity side and the bond side are happy. And it is our firm desire to keep them happy.
Okay. 2 more questions. One is give us an idea about what you're planning for the fall and into 2026 as well, just so people get a sort of an update on what are the key things you're looking at doing.
So please do expect an update on our H1 financials coming as early as next week. We will have a video, investor meet the company, etc., to talk about those things. We had a good first year, so that's helpful. We will continue to produce gold in the second part of this year as we're doing now. Gold prices obviously help our financial position. And as we move into the next year, the key news will be on completion of our sulfide expansion project, where we are on track and on budget to reach full commercial production before end of the H1 2026.
Okay. And lastly, Artem, as we mentioned, you're at the OTC studios, and the company is now on the OTCQX, ACGAF, an important market, not only in New York, but in the US for your company to move forward?
Absolutely. This is New York. The Western world money is in this part of the world and this city. It's good to have access to investor base in North America. And this is also indicates direction of travel. I will not be surprised if at some point in the future we will apply for a full listing in North America, but I'd like to do it in conjunction with a transaction which will have relevance for investors in this part of the world.
Artem, thank you so much. Good to catch up with you and see what the company's at. Obviously, in a strong position right now, and look forward to continuing to follow your story. Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right. There's Artem Volynets. He is the CEO of ACG Metals.